Hello viewers, welcome to my channel PMCE. In this video, we are going to see the concept division as repeated subtraction in class 3. We know that division is one of the mathematical operations on numbers. We have seen and understood that multiplication is repeated addition. Now in this video, we are going to understand how division is repeated subtraction. For class 3 videos related to multiplication, I have given a link to the playlist containing class 3 multiplication videos in my description box. And it's also linked in the iCard section. You may visit that playlist to see and understand what and all the children learn in class 3 under multiplication. Let us move to the details of this video now. How will you divide 20 chocolates into groups of 5 each? We will repeatedly subtract 5 from 20 till no chocolates are left. So what is the requirement? We have 20 chocolates and we'll have to separate it into groups in which each group is having 5. Let us see how do we do this by repeated subtraction. So what do we have to find? 20 divided by 5 is equal to dash. The first step is to take out 5 chocolates from 20 and form the first group. What is the remaining chocolate now? 15. So this is the first group that you have formed. Next, now repeatedly subtract 5 from 15. That is, you are taking 5 more chocolates away from 15. So what is the balance? 10. So you have formed the second group with 5 chocolates in it. Next, remove 5 more chocolates from 10. What is the balance? You will have 5 chocolates remaining. So you have formed the third group with 5 chocolates in it. Now still more you have 5 chocolates. So you can remove the 5 chocolates and form the fourth group. So the balance will be 0 and the fourth group is formed with 5 chocolates in it. So how many times did we perform the repeated subtraction? 1, 2, 3, 4 to get the remainder to be 0. So 20 divided by 5 is equal to 4. That is, we are forming 4 groups with 5 chocolates in each of them. Let us do more sums to understand this repeated subtraction concept better. Subtract repeatedly to get the division fact. 16 divided by 4 is equal to dash. So the first step is to subtract 4 from 16. What is 16 minus 4? 16 minus 4 is 12. Next, repeat the subtraction once again. Subtract 4 from 12. What is the balance you get? 8. Now, subtract 4 once again and you get the remainder to be 4. So, still you can subtract 4. 4 minus 4 is 0. So, how many times did we perform the repeated subtraction? 1, 2, 3, 4. So, the answer is 16 divided by 4 is equal to 4. Hope you have understood this concept. Let us do more sums for better practice. Subtract repeatedly to get the division fact. 21 divided by 7 is equal to dash. First step is to subtract 7 from 21. What is 21 minus 7? 14. Subtract 7 once again. 14 minus 7 is 7. You can subtract 7 once again and you get the answer or the remainder to be 0. So how many times did we perform the repeated subtraction? 1, 2, 3. So the answer is 21 divided by 7 is equal to 3. Stay with me till the end of this video as we are going to do more sums for better understanding and practice. Subtract repeatedly to get the division fact. 30 divided by 6 is equal to dash. First subtract 30 minus 6. What is the answer? 24. Now subtract 6 once again and you get the remainder to be 18. Subtract 6 once again and you get the remainder to be 12. You can subtract 6 once again and you get the remainder to be 6. So finally you can subtract 6 one more time and you get the remainder to be 0. So how many times did we do the repeated subtraction to get the answer 0? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5. Very easy, isn't it? Use the repeated subtraction method to divide. These are all the different ways of framing the question. 42 divided by 6 is equal to dash. 42 minus 6 will give you 36. Subtract 6 once again and you get 30. 30 minus 6 is 24. 24 minus 6 is 18. 18 minus 6 is 12. And I'm going to continue the subtraction over here. 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. And finally, once again, you can subtract 6 from 6 and you get the remainder to be 0. So how many times have we performed the repeated subtraction here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you're subtracting 7 times repeatedly the same number 6 from 42 to get the remainder to be 0. So the answer for 42 divided by 6 is 7. Use repeated subtraction to divide. 24 divided by 4 is equal to dash. 24 minus 4 will give you 20. 20 minus 4 will give you 16. 16 minus 4 is 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 8 minus 4 is 4. And 4 minus 4 is 0. So how many times we have performed the repeated subtraction over here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So the answer for 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. Dear viewers, these are all the learning outcome in class 3 under the topic division for the children, of which I have covered the first topic, understanding division, in my first video, and in my second video for class 3 division we have seen division as repeated subtraction. In my upcoming videos we will be dealing with number line division, multiplication and division, division using tables, properties of division, long division, remainder in division, checking division, division of 2-digit numbers, and there are many more topics like division of 3-digit numbers, dealing with zeros in the quotient, story sums applying division, mixed story sums applying addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and finally we will be doing mental math and a division worksheet which will contain a quick revision of all the concepts that the children have learned in class 3 division. I'll be covering each of these topics in separate videos, and links to all the related videos will be given below in the description box with proper naming conventions. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video with the next topic in division for class 3. If you like the quality of my videos, do give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Provide your valuable comments in the comment section. If you have not subscribed to my channel so far, please do hit that subscribe button and bell button for regular notifications of all the new videos that I make in my channel. See you again.